over. And you sent me this story to kill our friends, to kill me.
Well, it must have been enforcing Father's last command.
You're a talented liar, brother, always have.
I'll
Glen.
be back.
Glen. Talk.
I'll have to destroy them.
Jason, get Glen to talk. Jason.
Huh?
Get Glen to talk.
Glen, say something, bud.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Yeah, kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
He's been antisocial today, ain't
You don't want to be social today.
he? He knows it's going on the internet, don't he? Glen. On a kitty cat treat? Glen. 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 Glen's being antisocial today.